What's up guys, Alex here, GuitarForce.com. So in today's video we're going to take a look at the rhythm guitar part of Blue on Black by Kenny Wayne Shepherd's band. And I'd like to thank Kevin for requesting and supporting this lesson, and also I would like to give a shout out to Gary, a long-time supporter. He's been supporting my channel for a long time, and a lot of lessons that you see are requested by him, so big thanks goes out to him as well. And I will put the link to his channel. He's been putting out some blues covers, blues and rock and stuff like that covers, so if you're interested, please check his channel out. And like I said, this is going to be just a part of the lesson. We're going to take a look at the rhythm guitar parts, but the full lesson, including the lead guitar and also the two solos and all of the rest, is going to be available at GuitarForce.com. You can find the link in the description box down below. And with the download, you're going to be getting the full lesson, all of the tabs in PDF formats, a playthrough, and also a backing track. And I will also put the link to the sort of cover playthrough of the entire song, which is going to be on my other channel. So if you're interested, please check them out. For the tuning, we're going to be in standard tuning on the rhythm guitar. However, the lead guitar is using the drop D, so the low E string is tuned down the whole step. But that's for the lead guitar. On the acoustic guitar, the rhythm guitar, you can play just in standard tuning. And for the sounds, I was using the VST plugin Guitar Rig as usual. And now I'm going to show you the picture of the preset that I was using. And while you're checking it out, I'm going to play you my low E string, which is going to be the standard E, so you can tune up and play along with this lesson. Alright, so we're going to break up this lesson into parts. We're going to start off with the intro, and even though it's being played on the acoustic guitar, there is also a second guitar which is playing on the electric guitar. So I'm just going to be playing it on the electric guitar, but keep in mind that, you know, the acoustic guitar is the primarily guitar for the rhythm part. So first I'm going to play it through, then we're going to break it down. So it goes like this. Alright, so we have a few chords going on here. So we start off with the D chord, and it's kind of like D5, D power chord. Then we have the second chord, which is C sus2, so it looks just like that. Then we play between these two chords. Then we have a little transitioning part here. So just on the A string, open second to the 3rd fret, and then we play the whole chord, which is C add 9, so it looks like this. And then we go for the G chord. It's played sort of like a first inversion with the B in the bass, but you can play obviously the whole chord. And then in the end we have the G note with the slide bend, open strings which are part of the chord, and then we're back to the beginning of the riff. So it's all in the rhythm here. So we start off with the D power chord, like I said. Hit it 2 times, then we go to the C sus2 and we play 3/16 notes here. And then we're back to the D chord, let it ring out, and then we have, again, just hitting once the C sus2, going to the D5 again. So all together slowly is going to be like this. One more time. And then we have the second part. So as you get to the C note, then you play the whole chord, let it ring out, and then we play the the G, let it ring out, and then again add 3 more times. So the whole chord 3 more times, 3/16 notes, then the G notes slightly bend, and then we have the open string, so you can just leave out, you know, playing the part of the chord. And then we're back to the beginning. So that's the whole riff for the acoustic guitar. One more time, the whole thing slowly. Alright, so the whole song is based on just this riff. We are playing this riff throughout the entire song. However, when we go to the chorus, we play this riff a few times, and then we add a couple more chords, which is the A, and then we go to the G. And again, it's just simple that the whole thing is in the rhythm. So let me play a couple of times the main riff of the song, then I'll play this part. So it goes like this. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, for the A chord, it's just a random rhythmical figure that you play, and then when you get to the G chord, so you play 4 times down, up, let it ring out, and then up, down, and let it ring out again. Like that. And then we go back to to playing the main riff of the song. Alright, so for the solo, again, we are just playing on the main riff of the song for a few times, and then in the end we add F chord to the G, back to F, again G, and that's how we end this part. So the rhythmical figure again is, you know, you can play whatever you want to play as long as you change the chords at the right time. So F playing for 1 bar, G 1 bar, F for 1 bar, and then in the end G again, just playing that figure, let it ring out, and then we continue with the main part of with the main riff of the song. So just to give you an example how it goes, here is the part for the solo. I'm just going to play the main riff of the song a couple of times, and then we'll play the end. So it goes like this. Alright guys, so that was it for this lesson. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to continue learning the entire song, check out the link in the description box down below. Thank you very much for watching. Comment, share, subscribe if you are new to my channel. Don't forget to visit GuitarForce.com for more guitar lessons. In the meantime, I'll see you again. Take it easy, and as always, let the force be with you.